Can he fix the tractor? You phone a farmer.
Eh?
Can he fix the tractor? You phone a farmer. Has some bits of wood.
Just need to work it. It's going.
I swear, I spent quite a bit of time yesterday going right round the bead to that other one with a big bar. Can.
Coming up so easy.
I'll go right the way round and then
Aye, it's moving
we'll
when
swap.
you're doing that, like.
Aye, I think it's definitely doing something like. I say I spent quite a bit of time yesterday at that side doing it.
Aye, you're definitely moving down there, like.
It's breaking the seal on it.
It is, aye. Aye, just keep going like that, innit? Ready?
Right.
It's going right.
Been on there a long time, as you say.
It is going. See, we rest at the top. We'll move it.
Maybe get a bit more purchase on it now.
Aye, we'll move it round a bit and do it. It's like it's stuck to the rim, eh?
Aye, maybe the tubes are, you know, the old tubes. I say I've got tubes, so I'm not feeding about them.
Better just putting new tubes on, innit, to be honest with you. Right.
Right.
Perfect.
Du.
Fucking rust is metal between the rubber and the rim, like.
The tyre too long.
So a dent of the rim.
No worry about that.
Oh no, I'll chap out once you get these off, chap out.
Hear that's doing something there.
Oh, it's moved at half an inch off of the bead light.
Yeah.
Smoky as fuck. Right, Rodders, round here.
Right. Get the fucking tyre off and hit the fucking levers. You just cut the cunt off.
You just work your way round.
Yep.
I'll stand it right the other way. go I want to go back like that. That's it. Like stay like a quarter ton, so you've got it off a good way down. Aye. That's it. Hold on, and then I'll need to lift it over. I'll get a pull it, I'll get it over that tube.
That's it. Peel it off.
Peel it. There you go.
There we go.
Yeah.
I'll get rid of this.
Pair of vice grips on me.
Aye, and the second drawer down in the bottom cabinet to the right. That's my tyres cut off now. Next thing I'll do, separate the rims and bolt the centres in there. I'm bothered getting my battery to charge, but I'll get to it tomorrow. I will. Then decide if I'm going to try and clean them up myself. I'll take them somewhere to get done. See once I get the centres out of them. But that's sound. A good job that. Cool.